Get month name from number. How can I get the month name from the month number? For instance, if I have 3, I want to return March. How to get the string March?
Calendar API. From that you can see that calendar.month_name3 would return March, and the array index of 0 is the empty string, so there's no need to worry about 0 indexing either.
Returns December. Some more info on the Python doc website. Edit. Great comment from @Jirib. You can also use %b, which returns the short notation for month name. For the example above, it would return December.
April.
This is not so helpful if you need to just know the month name for a given number, 1 to 12, as the current day doesn't matter. Calendar.month_name_I or calendar.month_abbreviated_I are more useful here. Here is an example. Sample output.
If you want to save